Even if you're not looking for it, you could be innocent. If you go on the computer, on the internet, and you're looking for something good, it will find you.
15-year-old Zach is talking about porn, and it's hardcore. While innocently surfing the net, your child can come face to face with a sexually explicit pop-up ad.
It is deviant. It's aberrant. Kids are seeing content that no 12 or 13-year-old is mentally, psychologically, or emotionally prepared to deal with.
If parents don't know what to look for or how to protect their kids online, the click of a mouse can usher in a nightmare. Take, for instance, Renee's story.
Then through a minimized porn site and our computer's history button, we discovered that our precious 11-year-old son had been to hundreds of internet pornography sites in the middle of the previous few nights.
Renee's son became hooked.
We have spent the last 10 years trying to keep our son away from this drug with little success, seeking counselors who could help him, and being frustrated and angry that we were unable to protect our child.
Morality and Media President Patrick Truman tells CBN News the $120 billion porn industry blankets the internet with millions of websites, and the young aren't the only victims. Adults also become intensely addicted, while porn executives become incredibly wealthy.
The bulk of the commercial pornography industry is a handful, relative handful, 60, 80 companies that control most of those commercial sites. So they're looking for revenue. And you don't just get revenue when someone buys your video or buys time on your website for either a live performance or to view a video.
Simply clicking on a pop-up ad fills the pockets of the porn industry without the internet user even buying anything.
What you in fact get money for is clicks. It's the business model that Google has. And so the more you click, the more money they make. Some people think, well, I just look at it a little bit. Yes, every time you do, the porn industry makes money. And then you multiply that individual by millions of people in the United States that do the same thing. The porn industry is getting rich off you.
Internet safety experts say a strong defense at home is the only way to stop this immoral cash flow. Families need to block content and establish safety rules for kids and adults. This can be done through filtering and monitoring software and through accountability partners.
So that every website that individual goes to, you get an email giving you an update of where they've been. That's accountability, and you need that.
Know what your kids are doing online and stay engaged with them and recognize that you can't do it alone. You need some help.
Timely advice, especially with research showing porn's effect on the family. 4 out of 5 16-year-olds now regularly access it online, and more than half of divorces blame internet pornography as a primary reason for the breakup of the marriage. Mark Martin, CBN News.